Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. Today I'll be showing you how to make a White Russian, which is the perfect cocktail for my album review of the Beatles' White Album, specifically because of side 1, track 1, back in the USSR. Need I say more? No, I don't. Let's begin. So we're gonna start by grabbing our mixing tin and we're gonna add some ice. Next, we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka, followed by an ounce of coffee liqueur. In this case, I'm using Kahlua. Lastly, we're gonna add an ounce of cream, and now we shake. Then we're gonna grab a rocks glass. Now here I'm using 1 big ice cube. You could also use just more of that fresh ice. Now we're gonna strain the contents of our tin into our glass. And finally, we're gonna do a little bit of garnish. This is optional, but we're gonna grate a little bit of fresh nutmeg right on top. And there you have a White Russian. Pretty simple, I'd say. One of the things I like about this drink is that it's so easy to make. You could literally make it right into the glass. You could just add your vodka, a little bit of coffee liqueur, and then add your cream right on top. Maybe shake it a little bit to give it a little nice consistency and just build it in the glass. You don't have to use the mixing tin. Another thing too, it's very forgiving. You don't have to be precise in your measurements. Again, you could just eyeball pour it. Maybe you like a little bit more coffee liqueur. Maybe you like a little bit of coffee in that. Spice it up a little bit. So with that, I'm gonna take a sip myself. What can I say? That definitely hits the spot. Well guys, I hope you enjoy making your own White Russian, and why not go ahead and mix one up before you watch my album review of the White Album if you haven't already. Until then, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I am your vinyl geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side. But hey guys, thanks again for checking out this Mixing with the Geek episode. If you want to see more cocktails, I put a playlist right there, as well as a link to my album review of the Beatles' White Album.